Model 2019 MAN TGE 3 standard diesel rear-wheel drive 140 high roof van body, white, panel van mileage 72,388 MOT. The 11th of April 2024 engine 1968 cc DASB transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect, runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: this is in showroom condition, the cleanest man we have had. First person to see this will buy this. Cheapest on the net by a country mile. Happy for you to come test the vehicle. Check AutoTrader and compare our price to it. Bargain features: 0 former keepers, part service history, reversing camera, cruise control, electric windows. EU status: Euro 6 HPI, clear cap. Retail: £19,150. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,